Imagine before I'm telling you the answer. We are on the same boat. We are on the same boat.
Maybe in same position.
What's the name again, by the way? Lisa, you?
I think that's
Your name. Naomi?
Selena.
Oh, Selena, okay. Yeah, Selena, Naomi, and Nessa, yeah? Okay, come on. What's the meaning we are on the same boat?
People in some conditions, situations.
Yeah. Complete. Make complete.
People or a lot of people have the advantages on the same conditions or situation that we got it.
Yeah. The meaning of the same boat, it means we will be together to get the good and the bad situation. Don't separate each other. When we get the good situation, we will be the same. Yeah. When we get the good situation. When we get the bad situation, we will be the same. It's the meaning we are on the same boat. The meaning of the on the same boat. The meaning of on the same boat. Yeah. So Indians, many Indians here. Indians. Not only this elementary, maybe you think very easy. No, when you look at this, no, very difficult, very difficult. Think about, if you are interested, I can give you this book, I can copy to you, and then I can talk to you online when you are at home. Example, you open this, you make a phone call with me, yeah. You don't have to pay the school fee to me. No, I can give you free those. No problem. No problem, those.
Prepayment for calls.
Pardon?
Prepayment for calls and
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. But from this, But about this book, no. You must pay for me, okay? The payment is expensive. If I charge you about payment for the free course, maybe you pay me 500,000 or 1 million. You don't have money, I believe. Yeah, of course, yeah, you don't have money. But when you buy this, when you are at home, you are going at home, example, you open this, you would like to ask, according to these books, yeah, Mr. James, do you have free time? I would like to ask about the lesson 1, example. So, what's this? Why this one? And then I can give you. Anytime I can open my mobile phone with you. You don't have to give me money, no. Because